Hello and welcome to the tutorial video covering the Decode screen in Air Magnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro. The Decode screen displays in real time all packet frames as they are captured. The packets are displayed in the order they're captured, with the latest always shown at the top of the scrolling list. You can navigate to the Decode screen by clicking on the button at the bottom or dragging up the control pane and clicking on the Decodes button. Once on the Decode screen, on the right-hand side, I see the scrolling list of packets and frames as they go by. On the left-hand side, I see my controls for filtering that will impact frames that are displayed. Filters set up on the left-hand side of the Decodes page only affect the data displayed on that page, unlike the Master Filter tab on the right-hand edge, which applies to all pages. Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro allows you to create custom filters using filter settings of your choice. These custom filters, once created, will be automatically saved in the application for future use until they're deleted. To create a custom filter, click New and give your filter a name. Filters, once created, will remain available each time you launch the application. To apply a predetermined filter, you can choose it from the Filter drop-down box on the left-hand side, then choose Apply Filter. If you want to disable a filter that's in use, click Stop Filter. You can delete any filter by highlighting it from the list menu and clicking Delete. Note that deleting a filter will remove it from all future availability as well. By default, the Decode screen shows packets as they're captured in a first-in, first-out scrolling order. To conduct detailed packet analysis, you're going to need to stop the screen from scrolling so that you can take a close look at any packet you want to investigate. You can stop the live capture by tapping the Stop button at the top. You may adjust what columns to display in the Decodes table by right-clicking on the column heading and selecting Set Display Columns from the pop-up menu. Then use a checkbox control to set the columns that you desire to display. Once you've selected your column, click OK. The Decodes packet list provides a variety of data regarding every packet captured. Each piece of information is displayed in a separate column. The standard column settings are number, the sequence number of the packet captured. This is only shown when the packet capture is stopped. M. If you check the box in the M column, this will start the frame count at the selected packet. The delta column will start with that packet at 0 and number accordingly for all future packets. This column is only shown when the packet capture is stopped. Time shows the time that the packet was received and is only shown when the packet capture is stopped. Delta gives the time elapsed between packets. The channel column shows which channel the packet was received on. Length details the frame length of the packet. The signal strength column gives the received signal strength of the packet. Speed gives what speed the packet was transmitted at. Source is the source address for this particular packet. Destination is the destination address for this particular packet. BSS ID gives the source BSS ID for the packet. And summary gives a quick data packet summary of this particular packet. If you'd like to resume your capture, you can hit the Start Live Capture button to resume. Note that the Pause Decodes button is only available when using Capture to Disk mode. It does not apply to regular live capture mode. To decode an individual packet, we first stop the packet capture. Then we check the View Hex window checkbox if not already enabled. This will bring up an additional window pane at the bottom that will allow us to look through the packet itself. Now, on the screen, I select the packet I would like to investigate. I can begin decoding this packet by expanding and contracting the various pieces and fields within the packet. I can repeat this process for as many packets as I want to investigate. While decoding packets, I can quickly locate a particular packet on the screen by using Find in this View button, as long as I know some basic information about the packet I'm trying to find. Clicking on Find in this View brings up the Find dialog box. I can make the desired entries on the particular field or information I'm searching for and click Find. When conducting and capturing a large amount of data, I may choose to capture that packet data to my disk by one of two methods. Capture to disk allows me to continue saving packets until the user's selected maximum final size is reached. When that final size is achieved, a dialog is displayed that provides a browse option to save the file to disk. I can also set up continuous capture. In continuous capture, once the configured buffer size is reached, the data will automatically be saved to the directory location set in the configuration area. The file name will be a date and timestamp. At this point, a new capture will automatically begin. This process will continue until your configured max allocated space is reached. I have the ability to conduct detailed packet decoding while still leaving the application in live capture mode. Unlike the normal decoding operation, which completely halts live capture, this feature allows the user to conduct decoding without missing any data passing through the network. To conduct packet decoding concurrent with live capture, I need to use the capture to disk method. Once on the decode screen, I can use the pause button instead of the stop button to investigate packets. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for choosing AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro.